Hi children, in the last class we had finished the new words from this lesson, and today let us go meaning of this lesson. Wise Totem. Totem was a very simple and innocent boy. Totem was very simple and innocent boy. Innocent means here is the very silent boy and very simple boy. He was always getting into trouble with his father. Means he was always getting into trouble by his father. His father is always giving trouble to him. No matter how hard he tried, he could never make his father happy. He is not doing any work, and he could not never make his father happy always, because he is not doing any work and he don't know how to do the works. His two elder brothers used to tease him a lot about this. His two elder brothers always teasing the Totem about this. Totem's father was a rich merchant. Yes, his father was a very rich merchant. He used to spend ships laden with Indian spices. In the ships, he would like to send Indian spices and silk with fine gold and silver embroidery to countries all over the world. Not only one country, he is sending this all the things all over the world in the ships. Okay. Totem's brothers accompanied the ships to distant lands. That work is done for that work will be done by the that two elder brothers, but Totem is not doing any work. And the next is Totem used to see his brothers live in ships laden with rich and expensive things. Totem would like to see his brothers live in ships laden with rich and expensive things. He would like to go in the ships and he would like to see the things which very expensive things. While he was made to stay at home, this used to make him sad. Yes, he is like to see all the things, but one thing he is very sad, because always he is sitting in the home. He too wanted to visit different places. He wanted to go different places. One day he asked his father for a ship. Finally, he asked his father for a ship. He promised to bring back double the amount of money by selling his wares. He was promised it to his father. He would bring double the amount of money by selling his things. Totem's father did not believe him. So already Totem's father is giving trouble to him. But again, when he asked the ship, he did not believe him. And how could somebody who is good for nothing sell his products for double the money? He thought loudly to himself. Good for nothing means useless. Good for nothing means useless persons. How could they bring double the amount of money? He thought loudly to himself. Totem's mother heard him. Yes, Totem's mother heard him. She was very soft-hearted lady. Totem's mother was very, very soft-hearted lady. She persuaded Totem's father to give him a ship. Yes, she told to Totem's father to give him a ship so that he could do as he wished. Yes, Totem's father agreed that he will give the ship. Totem was given an old ship. Yes, Totem father gave him a old ship. The sails were torn and the mast had rusted and become weak. That ship sails were torn and the mast had rusted and become very weak. Totally, it was old ship. And the cargo consisted of 5 big drums of salt because that was the cheapest things available. In the ship, there were big drums of salt were there. That things available in that area very cheap. The the crew of the ship comprised of old, unskilled dockhands. Totem happily set sail in his own little ship. Totem finally he agreed that he would like to bring the double the amount of money by an old ship. Let us see in the next class the Totem would bring double the amount of money or he will come back with empty money, empty hand. Let us see in the next class. Okay, thank you, have a nice day.